This program contains experiments which are performed by professionals. These tests are dangerous and may involve the use of hazardous materials. They should not be performed or imitated under any circumstances. Without the barcode scanner, all those black and white bars would reveal nothing. The bars represent a 12-digit code, the width of each bar symbolizing different digits in the barcode. When laser light from the scanner hits the bars, the image of the barcode is reflected back and into the scanner. The code is then passed on to the computerized cash register and used to retrieve information from a store's database. But to really appreciate the technology behind it, we have to crack it open. The laser beam shoots out of a cylinder. Before hitting its target, it gets bounced around a few times. First bounce, a tiny mirror. Second, a four-sided mirror spinning at 75 revolutions per second. The rotating mirror splits the beam and sends it to a multi-angled mirror. That creates multi-reflections. The single laser ray becomes 1,500 scan lines per second, which form a grid the scanner uses to analyze the barcode from several angles at once. But before all this can happen, there must be light. Not any ordinary light, but laser light. Here's how it works. Inside this cylinder is the diode which produces the laser. The diode is made of two layers of special material, semiconductors, that allow electrons to cross from one layer to the next when stimulated by the electrodes at either end of the diode. When an electron crosses over, it releases energy in the form of a photon, a particle that makes up light. That photon travels between the two diode layers. Mirrors at each end reflect the photon. They make that light bounce. Each time a photon meets up with an electron from the upper layer, it makes that electron cross over to the layer below. And each time an electron crosses over, it produces a photon. That sets up a spectacular chain reaction. These photons continue to bounce around and meet up with electrons that they help cross over, producing even more photons. The result? An amazing phenomenon, amplification of light. At one end of the diode, there's a tiny opening in the mirror that lets light through. And that light comes out as a laser beam. It has the power to read a barcode very precisely by bouncing off it. Semiconductors, mirrors, gold. That's all it takes to crack the code. And the barcode scanner has it all.